Hello guys, today we're going to learn how can I add CMS page into my app. CMS stands for Content Management System. It is mainly used for integrating your existing CMS pages into your app. Add CMS page into your app. We have already provided several CMS integration methods. Select CMS Portal as per your need. If you want, you can rename this CMS page. You also have the option to change store icon with your own store logo. You need to provide your CMS portal public URL here. If your CMS portal is not listed here, you can choose custom CMS and paste your CMS public URL here. If you no longer want any CMS, then you can delete it from here. Once you finish creating your app, click on Save and Finish. That's it for now. Thank you for watching.